Welcome back to the Funko Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have a new Funko soda to show you, along with a prize win from Pophouse with Animal. So stay tuned after this brief intro. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get this video started, shall we? First up, we have the giveaway win from Pophouse with Animal. So let's see what we got. First up, we have from Falcon Winter Soldier, U.S. Agent. They need to make a second season. Now I believe this is a blacklight. It's the Retro Series Luke Skywalker Target exclusive. And he also threw me in a cool Funko sign. Pophouse with Animals channel in the description below. Please go over and give him a subscribe. He's very close to 500 subscribers. So let's get him there. And now we have the Hermeys Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer soda. See if we can get to Chase. Show y'all first. I think the Chase has a book. Which I think this is a Chase, but won't know until I look at the Pog. Cool. We have the Chase. 1 in 1600. And we also have Edna Mode, a husband. A little joke. So please comment down below what was your favorite out of the video. Sorry there hasn't been 1,000 subscriber for United States just yet. I have been sick. But it is coming soon. So stay tuned. Funko Brothers out. Catch you in the next one.